And so the story continues. Still on the move, embracing tomorrow in a world that keeps on changing, facing industry challenges head on, one by one. And now it's time for a new game changer. It's time for new Quester. Smarter, lighter, more fuel efficient, going the extra mile for new possibilities, making your business more efficient, providing greater fuel efficiency, better profitability, easier journeys and smoother operations with optimized driveline and SCOT. It's about higher payload and greater productivity with lowered tare weight. It's about staying ahead, knowing that your fleet is always on track, delivering more with our telematics services, including geofencing. It's about more comfortable long-distance journeys. This is our largest ever cab. A cab to call home. With walk-through comfort, loads of bunk space, comfortable air-suspended seat for long-haul operations. It's about our Japanese heritage. Delivering durable and reliable trucks. Each component is a result of years of development and rigorous testing, offering you ultimate dependability. And it's about providing you with a truck that is made to go the extra mile. Further, never stopping, never giving up. Our story continues, evolving together with you. New Quester, a smart move for your business.